Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix AdSense PIN not received in 2026. So if you're waiting for your verification PIN and it never arrived, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes you can try. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, go to the payments section and check the address verification notice. Remember, AdSense PIN letters can take 2 to 4 weeks depending on your country and postal system. Make sure your address is correct in AdSense. Even small mistakes like spelling or missing apartment numbers can delay delivery. If your PIN still hasn't arrived, you can request a new one after the waiting period shown in your account. Always use a clear and complete address format so your local postal service can deliver it properly. In some cases, Google may offer alternative verification like identity or document verification instead of a PIN. And don't try random PIN combinations because you only get a limited number of attempts before your account gets restricted. If nothing works, contact AdSense support for help or further verification steps. So that's how to fix AdSense PIN not received in 2026. Most of the time it's just delivery delay or address issues, so fixing those usually solves the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.